Whoa! Did you guys hear that? We need to go check that out right now. Let's go!
HobbyKidsTV.
HobbyHarry here, and I've got a special surprise for you guys. Come on! Hey, whoa! Did you read the sign? Smelly creatures, enter at your own risk. I wouldn't do that if I were you. All right, come on, let's go. Whoa. Did you read the sign? Dangerous dinosaurs, keep out! You're crazy, man. My secret lab is over here. Come on! What was that? Did you guys hear that? Let's go check it out. Uh-oh. I think we have a rodent problem. Oh no! Yep, I think we definitely do. Here's a hair. Yep, that's definitely a rat. That's a serious problem. He's eating my Cheerios. He's lactose intolerant too. And look, he stole my Imaginext toy. My ScoobyDoo and ocean boat toy. Come on, let's go check it out and find my toy. Hey, HobbyGuy.
Hey, Harry.
Here's a present.
A present just for... Okay, thank you. It's in a blanket. I love blankets. Cool, we got our Scooby and ocean boat. Look at Scoobsters. He's got so many hamburgers, it's ridiculous. So this boat has got a couple of cool things. Lifesavers on the side. Cool little swap monster, which actually is this guy. Ouch! You can totally see his face inside the helmet, so he's not that scary. What? I'm just a real monster. What's inside of his mouth? It's a face mouth.
Give a thumbs up if you can see his eyeballs.
Our Scooby-Dooby-Doo, his tail swirls around like this coolness. Woo! Woo! Whoa! Our little swap monster dude has full control of the cannon in the front. So when you spin the swamp monster, he can totally spin the cannon in the front. We're gonna be aiming it at our Scoob. Poor Scoob. Oh, we got him! Let's reel him in! Whoa! Shaggy! Scooby's catching up to our swamp monster. This hook has multiple purposes. It can catch the Scoobs. We don't like that, right? But what we do like is that it can shoot these cool little lifesavers across the room.
Oh my goodness.
Yep. Great. We're even gonna launch our Scooby. Let's launch him! Launching Scooby time! Oh, that didn't work. Launching Scooby time! Wow! We launched Scooby!
Come on, let's go check it out and find my toy. No problem. I've got a flashlight. We're covered, guys. But I think this rat means business. Let's go get him. Hey guys, I set up this camera to see if we can catch that little booger. We're gonna catch him. Give me a thumbs up if you see him. Did you guys see him yet? Give me a thumbs up if you did. Whoa. Did you guys hear that? We need to go check that out right now. Let's go. Nope. Hey, have you guys seen my special green formula? I'm looking everywhere for it. I can't see it anywhere. If you guys see my green formula, put green in the comments below. Nope. Nope. Wait a second. What's that over there? This rat's been in my sippy cup cabinet. Aha! And he's drinking my juice. But look, he left my hiding Scooby-Doo's Funland robot. Let's check it out, guys. Whoa. Hey, HobbyGuy.
Hey.
I've got some more toys for you to review.
Awesome. All right. Okay. All right. Thank you so
Bye.
much. Hi. Oh, he's in a hurry. Wonder what's going on. We have our Daphne and Mr. Hyde. We also have our hiding Scooby and a Funland robot.
All right, we got our cool Mr. Hyde. His outfit comes completely off, goes right on over, and boom, now he's Mr. Hyde. Scooby gets scared and hides in trash cans because of it. Daphne is sporting a really cool necklace. She's different than a lot of the Imaginext. Sorry, Daphne. Oh, come on, Funland robot. He's fun. Whoa, it's our own robot launcher. So, Mr. Robot, how's it going? Mr. Hyde definitely wants his formula back that's inside this necklace. But Scooby is gonna be holding on to it. Sorry, Mr. Hyde. These two were dancing in the park one day. When all of a sudden, Mr. Hyde used his formula to turn robots evil. Take me to your leader. Ah! I'm out of here. Whoa! Whoa! No! Nope. 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 Where is it? Ha! Dirty dishes. Oh man, let's check the sink. Yep, it's there. And look, he's been eating my pickles. Ew. But he left me an awesome toy.
Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly. Wow. Hey, thanks, Harry. All right, what's going on out there?
I'm trying to catch a rat that's eating my food.
Oh, gotcha. All right, have fun with that, buddy.
I'll try.
All right, guys, we got our Scooby Spooky Townhouse. So this thing right here swirls in, boom, boom. Now you have your train tracks. So a little cart comes with this. This guy, coal miner, he wants to get Scooby-Doo. He comes with a pickaxe and 3 discs to shoot pizza. See, they're pizza. 3 barrels of monkeys.
Where's the monkeys?
It also includes our super cool Scooby-Doo dog. I'm gonna get you, Scoobs. What roll? Not today. I didn't do it. When our scary coal miner is chasing after the Scooby-Doos, you press on this little green goo dude. I didn't do it. Turn this disc up here, and a personal pizza launcher is in the window. Oh no, our coal miner is back. He's gonna throw barrels of monkeys at him. Hey, you wise guy, stop throwing barrels of monkeys at me. Hey! Whoa! Mmm, delicious.
Good catch.
We all want to know who the identity of our coal miner is. Let's pull off his mask. Whoa, it's that guy.
Oh, hey guys. Sorry, I just had to go get some more of my glowing green formula. Wait a second. We've got some serious issues, guys. He left the most dangerous doors open. We're gonna have a mess of issues. We gotta catch this guy. But before we do, I gotta get some juice. Uh-oh, he's been in my fridge too. This guy's taking all my delicious food. All of my green food too. But look, he left the Shaggy and hot dog cart. I gotta teach this guy a lesson. My food, not yours.
Oh, so lonely. Hey, Hey, what's up, Harry?
Here's another one.
Okay, wow, what, you go fishing or something?
See ya.
Cool! We got our Shaggy and hot dog stand. Like, has anyone seen my hot dog cart? All I have left are these hot dogs. Scoop! Shaggy is pretty stylish in his white and red apron cooking hot dogs. Shaggy's cart is pretty stinking awesome. It's got some mustard launcher right here. Wha-bam! Boom! See you later, little robot! Shaggy's hot dog cart also comes with a lettuce launcher. No, lettuce!
Who puts lettuce on a hot dog?
Not me. I gotta hurry up and pick up Scoob before he heats all the buns to these hot dogs. Hey, mister, do you want a hot dog? Yikes! Scoobs! Where are you, Scoobs? We gotta hurry. We gotta get away from that mummy. Faster! Whoa! Take relish, you mummy. Give me back my hot dogs. That was awesome.
I'm a scary mummy, but not that scary because I'm just this guy.
Hello, everybody. Come and get your nice Italian hot dogs. They are super delicious. Like, wow, Scoops. This hot dog stand looks so delicious. Scoops? Now that's how you sell a hot dog. Scoops is gonna be so jealous. Wow.
Okay, here's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna take my special green formula. We're gonna pour it on these Nerf balls. You see these glowing Nerf darts? We're gonna catch this little guy. Oh no!
Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh. This stuff is really glowy. Kids, don't try this at home. Only HobbyHarry is experienced, and I'm a doctor of Nerf. It's a PH, don't do it. Oh. Well, that'll be all right.
Now you see it, now you don't.
All right.
Boo.
Ah, don't scare me. Let's get this thing locked and loaded. Dun, 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 dun. Inspector Harry. Dun, 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 dun. Hey guys, when I see him, we're gonna nerf him. This guy eats my food. We have to do this. Bye. You guys see him? See anywhere? Do you guys see him somewhere? What's that? Is he over there? Ah! There he is! We got him, guys! We got him! He turned into something different. Maybe he won't eat my food now. Let's go check it out. Whoa! He's a cute little unicorn. So nice. Whoa! On the count of 3, count with me. 1, 2, 3.
Wah, wah.
Go in jail.
Wah, wah. 'Cause his arm's up.
Stop it! Go in jail!
Wait, you left the door.
What's your explanation for that one? Head first. Attempt 476. Attempt 894. No mask. Imaginext, what's going on? Oh!
No.
I'd say that's 50% in jail right there.
But look at it, if he was a real criminal, he'd just go. That actually stood up.
Yeah, that was awesome.
No, Scooby can't go in jail.
Scooby, the bad boy, born prison. Good boy. Let's try the barrels of monkeys.
They broke the gate.
No! Let's try a pizza.
Yay!
Yes! You've been a bad pizza.
I left the front door open! No!
How was that?